Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Meghalaya Cuisine. First of all, I would like to thank all the subscribers for subscribing this channel, and I'm so thankful that it's because of your love and support that our channel has reached till 3,000 subscribers. So I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. And I wish that you will continue to show your love and support. So I'll be showing you how to make this fruit custard in a very easy way. So I'm using fresh cream, custard powder, and even fresh fruits for making this recipe. So I'll be using fresh fruits. I'll be using apples, bananas, guava, pomegranate, and a local fruit from Meghalaya, which is known as soyong. I'll be using these with the help of a custard powder and a fresh cream. And I'm also using a milk for making this recipe. So I'll be telling you some of the benefits of apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So it is good for regulating the blood pressure level, and it is an antioxidant. It contains vitamin C. It also contains ascorbic acid. So it is very nutritious. Banana helps in digestion. It is also good for your skin, and it helps in regulating the blood pressure and even controls the cholesterol level in the body. And even we are using guava, so I'm saying a little bit about guava. So it is very good in vitamin C. It is also an antioxidant. It helps for digestion also. And we are using pomegranate. It is good in iron, rich in calcium, magnesium. It is also an antioxidant. It helps in regulating the blood pressure level, and it is also good for raising up your hemoglobin as well. Then next we are using a local fruit, that is soyong. It is good. It is a multivitamin fruit. So without much wasting my time, I'll be showing you this video. So continue to watch. Thank you. These are the fruits that I'm going to use. You can also use mangoes, pineapple, papaya, kiwis, whatever available. Pour half liter of milk on a frying non-stick pan. Here I'm using a frying non-stick pan from wonderchef. The quality of this non-stick pan is very good, and it doesn't stick at all. Boil the milk properly. This is the custard powder that I'm going to use now. So I have added 2.5 teaspoons of custard powder. We'll mix this custard powder with a milk. Mix it properly in order to prevent from lumps. Stir it very well. In the other hand, keep on boiling, and now add sugar on the boiling milk. I have added 4 teaspoons of sugar and stir the milk properly until the sugar gets dissolved. Now add the dissolved custard powder and stir it properly. Keep on stirring until it becomes thick. If you're using other pan, make sure that you stir it properly so that it won't stick at the bottom. Since I have used a non-stick frying pan, it doesn't stick. You can see the bubbles. It's bubbling and it's almost ready. You can see the consistency, it has become thick. The custard is almost ready, so I'll off the flame now and keep it aside to cool it. I have cut the pineapple, chopped it into fine pieces. Now our fruits are ready to be combined together. It's an apple, banana, guava, then pomegranate. So I've taken a fresh cream. It's your wish whether you want to add fresh cream or not. Our cool custard is ready to be mixed. Mix it properly. This custard is very nutritious with all the mixture of fruits, milk, custard. Next, I'm going to add this fresh cream, which is easily available in the market. So it depends on the wish whether you want to add it or not. This helps in making the texture creamy. After it's mixed, keep in a tight container and store it in a fridge for about 2 hours. Then you can serve it in a bowl. I'm adding this fruit we call soyong in Khasi language, and this fruit is available in Meghalaya. It is also known as blackberry of Meghalaya. Healthy fruit custard is ready to be served. Kindly like, share and comment if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.